What's up, motherfuckers? So, I'm out here at my local park spot. And I'm not sure if any of you guys remember a while back, I did this little video that was an absolute failure. And it almost cost me a little quad. And the video I'm speaking of is when I dropped a quad from my other quad. And we're gonna revisit that today and hopefully have a little bit more success. So stick around and wish me luck. All right, so what we have here is a DJI Mavic Air 2. We also have the Cinebot30. This is what we're gonna be dropping. The last time it was a Smart16, a lot smaller, little 2S quad. This bad boy, 6S, a lot heavier, a lot more expensive, and I don't wanna break it. So hopefully it works. So let's just get everything set up real quick and I'll be back with you.
Yeah, one thing about music, when it hits, I go insane. People, they say they feel no pain, so why do I feel like it's always raining in my head? There's a wolf in a circle and I want to fight, and curled up in my heart is 80 foot in a gun and I want to bite. I'm a tiger in a cage, pacing hot fire in a rage, racing motherfucker, think, just lock me up in a cell, my body wasting. I'm naughty tasting freedom for the first time. My curse rhymes and hex every text anybody ever sent me, so that
All right, everybody, got everything wired up right here. Got my Mavic on the ground. About to lift that off and get this Cinebot hooked up to it. Let's see how that works. Yeah. Come on, you bastard. All right, that shit ain't gonna work. Let's rip.
1, 2, like you wanna. Okay, now have you ever been with a player? Take you downtown where they treat me like the mayor. Take you to the crib where you take it upstairs. What's upstairs? Shit, I'ma show you later. Don't need a spatula, everything catered. Extra flavor. Go ahead, sprinkle some truffle on your mashed potatoes. I'm trying to love you. Is you gonna love me back? You only get what you give. Ain't you heard of that? Look here, I don't ask for much. You know what I want. I just want what's fair. Smooth like a mat, float like a butterfly on every single track. And the only language that I speak, girl, is back. So once I give this game to you, I can take it back. Hollering at you from a 1977 Monte Carlo.
Well, attempt number 2 at dropping an FPV drone from a camera drone. Absolute failure. Didn't even get off the ground, literally. Didn't even get off the freaking ground. But that's all credited to the lack of preparation on my behalf. And I'm going to make sure that next time I succeed. They say the third time's a charm. I'm going to absolutely make sure that shit rings true. So I'm going to get back to my bonfire. I'm going to let y'all get back to your lives, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.